How to fix Facebook opening problem. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just follow me till the end in this video. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and scroll down, click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on first stop and click on OK. Now go to your Play Store or App Store, update your Facebook. If it's not updated, then go and restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.